All right, Rima, thanks very much. In fact, the IT pack was under pressure today on the back of that UBS downgrade. Now, Indian IT companies may be struggling with their earnings, but Cognizant continues to buck the trend. The Nasdaq-listed firm has reported decent first-quarter numbers with revenues up 20% year-on-year. For more on Cognizant's earnings, we're now joined by Kritika. Kritika, take us through the highlights.
As you just said, Shireen, decent is the word. No fireworks, but a healthy set of numbers with a 2.8% revenue growth. Bottom line coming in up by around 7.6%, significantly higher than estimates. Even the guidance that the company has given is fairly decent. So we were expecting some kind of changes in guidance, but they have reiterated that they are expecting to grow by around 16.5%. So revenues will come in, expected to come in at $10.3 billion. What was very interesting is their outlook for the next quarter. For the coming quarter, they are expecting a growth of around 3.3 to 4.5%, a very strong range over there and possibly the most bullish amongst the entire IT pack. In terms of the kind of outlook that they have so far, there are a few headwinds, so not a completely bullish story just yet. North America has been slightly sluggish this quarter, with the healthcare pack being slightly sluggish. So clients in the healthcare segment have been slightly conservative when it comes to discretionary spending. Decision making owing to the Affordable Healthcare Act is taking time. However, the management does maintain that going ahead, their outlook on Europe is strong, and that will compensate for any kind of sluggishness in North America. Here out what the management had to say to CNBC TV18.
We feel pretty comfortable in reaffirming our guidance of at least 16.5%. And, we are quite confident about the business outlook. That's why we have guided to at least 16.5% for several reasons. One is the robustness of the mix of services that we have, right from application outsourcing to the infrastructure, BPO, to the transformation type of services, leveraging SMAC stack. And we see a good balance. For example, in first quarter, our discretionary spend on helping customers run differently, leveraging SMAC stack, significantly improved. And there was a softness in the application outsourcing, so it sort of balanced each other. And similarly, the healthcare segment was a little weak, but it was completely offset by the bullish, outlook in the retail, manufacturing, and financial services segment. We saw a headwind in the first quarter. It's very, it's too soon to conclude whether it's a trend. One quarter doesn't really make a trend. We hope that the U.S. will bounce back, because we did have very healthy wins in terms of outsourcing contracts, which is expected to ramp up in the second half of the year.
Well, that's the Cognizant management. Moving now.